Hi, welcome back to part two of Special Products under Mathematics 7. This is Jeline from the Honors Tutorial. We have here for the part two of our topic, the product of the sum and difference of two binomials. This is very easy. Um, this is the given that you will encounter. So we have here the quantity of a plus b times the quantity of a minus b. So what can you observe from the terms that we have here? The terms that we have here inside our parentheses are the same. So that's why we use a and we use b. We have here a and a, so therefore the first term are the same with the first term of the second equation inside the parentheses. And then as you can see here, for the first parenthesis, we have here b for the second term. And then for the second parenthesis, we also have here b. So the terms that we have for product of the sum and difference of two binomials are alike, but they differ here in the operation between them. The other one is positive, the other one is negative. So therefore, if that is the case, your pattern will be this: a squared minus b squared, and that's it. Let me just show you our example. So we have here the quantity of x plus 2 times the quantity of x minus 2. So this is how you are going to solve for it. Since they have the same terms, x and 2, um, just write a here and b. The first term is always a, the second term is always b. Then have the pattern. So that is a squared minus b squared. A is x, and then don't forget the exponent 2 minus. Please don't change the sign of this or the operation between them. It is because it is constant. It will not change no matter what. So for b, the value of b is positive 2, so that is 2 raised to 2. And remember, for us to raise x to 2, we have to multiply their exponents. So we have here 1 and 2. So 1 times 2, that's 2. So that is x squared minus 2 raised to 2. So that is 4. It is not that we multiply 2 and 2 directly. No, we multiply 2 the base to itself twice because the exponent is 2. It just happened that the exponent is also 2. So we have here x squared minus 4 for the first example for the product of the sum and difference of two binomials. Next, I have here another example, same topic. Let's have the pattern, so that is a squared minus b squared. So assign a, assign b. Just get the terms only. So a is 5a. Don't forget the exponent 2 minus. Please follow this because it is constant. Again, it will not change no matter what happened. For b, we have here 2 raised to 2. So please distribute 2, which is our exponent, to each number and variable inside the parentheses. So that's 2. 5 raised to 2, that's 25. Why 25? Because 5, which is the base, is multiplied twice to itself because our exponent is 2. We don't multiply 5 times 2 directly. That is incorrect. Next, for a, we have here invisible exponent, which is 1. So you have to multiply 1 and 2 since 2 is outside the parenthesis. So that is a squared. And then copy this operation. Again, please don't change it. So 2 raised to 2, that's 4. And that's the answer. 25a squared minus 4 for number 5. Next, multiplying cube of a binomial. Here is our pattern. So the given is the quantity of a plus b cubed that is equal to a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. And that is our pattern. Don't worry because I will show you how are you going to substitute and solve for it. So always the first term is a and the second term is b. Please write the pattern, so that is a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. So what is a? That's x. So write x here. And then don't forget the exponent, which is 3 plus 3 times the value of a, and that is x. And then raised to 2. Don't forget it. And the value of b, so that's 1. And then plus 3 again times the value of a, that's x, times the value of b, that's 1 raised to 2, plus the value of b cubed, so 1 cubed. And then let's solve. X cubed. X raised to 3 is x raised to 3. Why? Because we have here invisible exponent, which is 1. So what are you going to do is to multiply them. And that's it. Just copy the variable and then multiply the exponents. Copy this operation. So plus, multiply first x squared and 1. And that is x squared. And then copy 3. Plus, let's have this first, 1 squared. 1 squared doesn't mean 1 times 2. 1 squared means 1 times 1. Because the exponent 2 is telling you how many times are you going to solve for, or how many times are you going to multiply for the base to itself. And that is twice. So that is 3x times 1. Plus 1 cube, that is not 1 times 3. Instead, it is 1 times 1 times 1. And that is 1. So plus 1. Then let's continue here our solution. For the first term, no need to solve for it. Just copy x cubed. And then for the second term, you have to multiply 3 to the numerical coefficient of x, and that is 1. So 3 times 1 is 3, and then copy x squared. And then multiply x times 1, that's 1x. So that is 3 times x plus 1. So copy x cubed plus 3x squared. 3 times x is 3x. So plus 3x plus 1. So that's the answer for multiplying cube of a binomial. Let us have our last example. So that is the quantity of 2x plus 3 cubed. Please follow the formula or the pattern. So that is a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. Assign values for a and b. First term is a, second term is b. A is 2x, substitute it, and then don't forget to raise it to 3. Plus 3 times a, so that is 2x, raised to 2 because we have here exponent of 2, times b, that's 3, plus 3 times a is 2x here, times b. Let me just write it here. That's 3 raised to 2 because of exponent 2. Plus b, again, it's 3 raised to 3. And then let's solve for it. Let's have first 2x cubed. So 2 raised to 3, it means that you have to multiply 2 3 times to itself because the exponent is 3. So 2 times 2, 4 times 2, that's 8. And then x cubed. Next, plus simplify 2x raised to 2. So 2 raised to 2 is 4. X squared times 3 times 3, that's 9. Plus, simplify this first. 3 squared is not 3 times 2. No, it's not. 3 squared is 9. It is because the exponent is telling you how many times are you going to multiply the base to itself, and that's twice. So 3 times 3 is 9. Times 3, that's 27. Times 2x plus 3 raised to 3 again, it's 27. It is because 3 raised to 3 is not 3 times 3. It is 3 times 3 times 3 because the exponent is telling the base how many times are you going to multiply yourself, and that is thrice because the exponent is 3. Let's continue solving. So copy 8x cubed and then solve for this. 4 times 9, that's 36. So plus 36. And then copy x squared plus 27 times 2, that's 54. So 54x plus 27. So that's the final answer for multiplying cube of a binomial. And that's it also for special products. I hope that you have learned something today about the part 2 of special products. This is also the last part of this topic. If you have inquiries about us or question about the topic, kindly message the honors tutorials page. Thank you and God bless.